Distance education is an educational study that continues to develop along with the rapid advancement of communication and information technology. Because of that, distance education is often perceived as an innovation in 21st century learning method that have across space, time, and socio-economic reach. With this innovation, people have alternative options for accessing education. In general, distance education has principles that include access, which is related to the desire to expand public access to education through the provision of education based on communication and information technology is most economical and minimize distance and time constraints. Equity, which refers to the principle of justice and equal rights for anyone to receive education without being limited by various obstacles. Quality, namely with regard to the assurance of teaching standards, teaching materials, and examination, and interactive learning process based on communication and information technology.
Characteristic of distance education. Distance education has several basic characteristics. Teacher and student are not in the same room. The teaching and learning process takes place. The delivery of teaching material and the learning process is carried out by utilizing communication and information media. Emphasize independent learning, but there are institutions that regulate it. Limitation on face-to-face meeting. Usually, face-to-face meetings are held periodically between student and the teacher or tutor. Flexibility in the learning process. In other words, each student can set their own learning time according to the time availability and readiness.
The advantages of the distance education method. The learning process can be carried out without being limited by the obligation of teacher and student to be in the same room and time. The use of communication and information technology as learning media results in lower costs for both distance education providers and students. Teaching material and various interaction in writing form that are digitally packaged allow students to be able to write again and again the information recorded in them. The disadvantages of distance education methods include the lack of direct contact between teacher and student slows down the process of building social relations and follows which are the basic goals of education. Low control over the learning process as an indication of independent learning, which is the focus of distance education. Limitation of information and communication technology that cannot fully replace the direct communication and interaction processes that occur in conventional education.
Communication technology is distance education. The profession of distance education cannot be separated from the use of technology. This is because In distant education, there is no direct contact between teachers and students. The communication process between the two is carried out through the use of communication and information technology.
However, face-to-face meeting can still be held with a limited frequency. Communication and information technologies that are widely used in distant education are computers and internet.
The use of computers and the internet provides opportunities for students to be able to access teaching materials that have also been packaged in digital from anywhere and anytime. Although the use of various digital technologies in distance education seems to have disappeared, the communication process mediated by computers and the internet has limitations in capturing an expression and movements of teacher and student.
Other supporting communication technologies used to support the provision of distant education include electronic book, compact disc or digital versatile disc for audio and video recording, information processing devices such as tablet or laptop.